Well, it's CandyMan Weatherman. Good morning, everybody. Don't freak out when you see everything here. It's about 9:44, and I'm going to gander outside the front of the building. Gotta go slow because water and tile does not go good with flip-flops. There we go. Just came in. Oh shit, everything's busted. The ceiling is all, plastic's all down. It's inside the jetty. Oh, this water stinks. Oh, hang on. There we go. Okay. Now this is new. That's the gate for Bobby's. As you can see, it's still really windy. That boat's upside down. Miss May's one stop. Miss May's stand is gone. The liquor store used to be across the greenhouse is gone. And there were cartons of cigarettes floating all over the place. It's still pretty windy. Some nice waves out there, big ones. Let's take a gander down here a little bit. Over here, the tiles are wet. Gotta go slow. Wow, oh, almost slipped. Look at that stuff. God. This was not here. There's a whole palm tree right here. This was not here about a little over an hour ago. This was not here because I came out during the eye of the storm. Oh, there's a pack of Super Kings. Oh, menthol. So okay, this is it. Let's see if I can. Gotta be real careful here. Arms are down. Zoom in a bit. So that's where this guy had to stand. Hey. Oh, they're gone, some of these buildings. Gee. Yeah. You can see it's still blowing pretty bad down here. Okay, I'll take some more. I gotta get